Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create events that shows on Google. So how to add event schema and structured data to your WordPress website in order to enhance your website visibility, your event to appear better on Google. All in a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics or choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, you need to create events into your WordPress website. For it, I recommend that you go to your WordPress website, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin submenu, and into the upper right corner of our screen, into search plugins, click and type event manager, just like this. You can choose one of this plugin. I recommend that you choose this one right here, okay, because of its compatibility. Click on install now. Click into the activate. Now we're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But nothing to worry. If you review the left sidebar of menus into your WordPress dashboard, you're gonna be able to find next to comments a new menu called events. Click on it. Right here you can see your events options, right? Hey, general, image size, page, okay, there is styles. And right here you can add event, okay? After doing the sets, you can be able to add events. I recommend that you create your event and just do the content, okay? Just work on the content, make sure you fulfill all of the fields, okay? Especially these ones right here, the when of the event. And after this, go back to your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin. Now review the upper side corner of your screen, once again, click on it and type event SEO, event schema, structured data. Scroll down and here is the guide that we're looking for. Click on install now. Event SEO, event schema, structured data, Google Rich Snippets, schema for event. Click on install now. Then click into the activate. There is no settings for this plugin. As soon as you activate this, both plugins are gonna work together and make the content that you write right here appear just like you see right here. Okay, so simple, easy and effective. Of course you're gonna need to create your events and optimize it, okay? So write a unique content, write a good content, use unique and good images, okay? And of course work on your site, share the content to social media. This is gonna help as well, but Google gonna see your event just like this and will index this just like this using these both tools. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on wordpress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on wordpress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.